Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Bulldog WD20 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Worn or damaged squeegee blades, and we have to replace them. It's super easy, super fast. First, we need to remove the squeegee assembly from the machine. Grab your hose, unhook it from the assembly, unclamp it, and get it up out of the way. Now what we want to do is take the knobs, twist them, loosen them up, remove the assembly. Next, go ahead and release the front strap holding your front squeegee blade on. And now we can take that off. And now you can remove the front squeegee blade. Boom, just like that. Now what we want to do is grab the rear strap and release that. Take that off. Take that side off. Now we can remove the rear squeegee blade. Boom, just like that. Now, just reverse your steps to install. Take your rear squeegee blade, start on one side, and work your way around. Now, let's take the rear strap. Put that sucker right there. Take the other side. Reattach the latch. Quick note that the notches on the strap should always face the bottom of the squeegee. Now, front side, take your blade, line them up. Again, the notches on the strap should always face the bottom of the squeegee. Push your strap down just like that. And now what you have to do is put it back on the machine. Now I've removed the knobs and they're spring loaded and the washers need to be on the bottom of your whale tail. Take your assembly and line it up. Drop it down just like that. And now you can push down, reattach the knobs, hand tighten them down. Last but not least, the final step, take your suction hose, put it back in there, and clamp it down. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.